the Euro-USD price recovered from the prolonged bearish pressure despite the risk-averse sentiment on the US dollar. The war between Israel and Hamas is the main event for Euro-USD this week, where the recent oil embargo from Iran could be a negative sentiment for the euro. In the technical outlook, Euro-USD did not form a bottom as it remains at the 1.06 psychological threshold. As per the weekly chart, the last candle remains within the previous candle's body, holding the downside momentum below moving averages. The 100-week SMA remains closer to the price, while the momentum indicator remains strongly bearish. Moreover, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, shows an oversold condition, suggesting a bullish possibility. The price remains mildly bearish in the daily chart, below the 20-day EMA, while the larger MA is still above the 1.08 level. The momentum indicator is bullish, while the RSI remains corrective at the 47 level. On the bullish side, the Euro-USD price peaked at the 1.06 level, which was the primary indication of a bullish reversal. In that case, a bullish weekly close above 1.07 would be a strong bullish possibility in this pair. On the other hand, there is a sharp downside pressure, and a bearish daily close below the 1.05 mark could be a short opportunity, targeting the 1.03 to 1.03 area.